Hey everybody, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. Today we're going to be doing another Thursday's Turnpike technical tutorial, and we're going to be learning a very simple cast on called the knitted cast on. Okay, so for this cast on you need some yarn and you need your needles that you're going to be using. This is the knitted cast on. The knitted cast on. You start with a slip knot. Tighten it up on your thing, but I don't tighten it too tight. I still have a little bit of room in there. You're going to be knitting your cast on, and so you start with a slip knot and you wrap your yarn around your right hand needle. You just do a knit stitch through your slip knot like that. You pull the yarn through to create your stitch. As you pull it through, you come underneath that on your stitch and slide it on, and there is your first stitch. That's your first stitch in the knitted cast on. There we go. That's what it looks like. All right. And you just continue to do that, except you start in the stitch that you just created. Slowly insert your needle into that last stitch you just created. Wrap your yarn around your needle, pull it through to create your stitch. Come underneath with your left hand needle, slide it off your right hand needle onto your knitting needle. There's your third stitch, and you do use your slip knot as your first stitch. Again, just insert your yarn into that last stitch, wrap your yarn around it, pull it through, and there you go. That's all there is to the knitted cast on. That's what it looks like. It's a very simple edge. It's not a very stretchy cast on, but it sometimes is called for in patterns.